Hi, this is Howie, and I have some really great news. Well, for me anyhow. The other day, I found out that my friend has a full-sized foosball table sitting in a storage garage, and I can have it for free. So I texted my friend for the details, and this is what I heard back. I can't fit the foosball table in my car. You can just pick it up from my storage unit. Great, I have a truck. That's not a problem. But there is one thing. My response? Okay, but you need to tell me the combination for the lock. He keeps his storage unit locked. How am I supposed to get in otherwise? And then this is the response I get. No problem, I'll get that to you in a minute. Sounds great. But then a few minutes later, I get this image. What does this mean? It must have been sent to me by mistake. So I replied, I don't think that was meant for me. And his response is where things start to get strange. Yes, it was. That's the combination to my lock. The answer is in the shapes. What does that even mean? Okay. Well, it looks like a nice view out of a window, but somehow the answer is in the shapes. I should be able to figure out the combination to his lock from these shapes? Well, let me ask you, what shapes do you see? And how will those shapes help me figure out the combination to my friend's lock? What do you think? When you looked at the image, perhaps you noticed triangles, rectangles, trapezoids, and circles. Well, there are 4 shapes, and most locks require 4 numbers, so perhaps the combination to the lock has something to do with the number of each type of shape. That's what I thought at first, anyhow. But then I realized there are just way too many possibilities. I need to get some more information. So I went back to my phone and I texted my friend. This problem's impossible. There are way too many possibilities. Give me a clue. And a clue I got. Rectangles, trapezoids, triangles, circles. That order. If you add up all the digits, the total should be a multiple of 3. No more clues. Send me a pic if/when you get the foosball table. Good luck, buddy. Good luck? I think I'll need it. Let's analyze this together. So my friend's lock will require a 4-digit code. And the digits can be found by counting the number of rectangles for the first spot, then counting the number of trapezoids for the second spot, the number of triangles for the third spot, and the number of circles for the 4th spot. And I'll know I have the right code if I add up all those digits, and the total is equal to a multiple of 3. Those are numbers you land on when counting by 3s. Okay, I think we have everything we need to figure this out. I used a marker and went ahead and traced a copy of this picture onto paper. I'm going to share that image with you. I think it will be easier to see without all of the colors. Spend some time analyzing the picture to find all of the shapes. Can you figure out the code? Let's review the code, starting with rectangles. I'm going to keep track of the number of rectangles on the right side. Each time I count a rectangle, I'll add a tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rectangles. Let me add the number 7 as the first digit in the lock combination. And now for trapezoids. And this is the shape I definitely struggled with the most. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all I found at the start. It wasn't until I completed the problem, added up all my digits, and found that I didn't have a multiple of 3 that I took another look back at the trapezoids, and I found several more trapezoids hiding in this image. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 trapezoids. And I'll place an 8 as the second digit in the lock combination. And now for triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 triangles. And that is the third digit of the lock combination. Let's count the circles. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 circles. And that is the final digit of the lock combination. 7, 8, 9, 9. I wrote down the code and drove to my friend's storage unit. I entered the code. 7, 8, 9, 9. Success! And this is the picture I sent to my friend. When my friend and I met up and discussed this adventure, one comment he made really stuck with me. He told me that if he were to do it all over again, he would not tell me which order to put the digits. That got me thinking. Would I have been able to solve the lock combination if he didn't tell me the order? Remember, the combination that opens the lock is 7, 8, 9, 9. Assuming I got all of those numbers correct from the puzzle, how many possible combinations are there?